In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace an engine air filter on the Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is a quick and easy maintenance task you can do yourself in just a few minutes. And the best part is, you only need one tool for this. I use a 1/4-inch Gearwrench Ratchet with a T25 Torx bit. So pop the hood and locate the air filter box. It's on the passenger side, right behind the headlights. Using your T25 Torx bit, remove the 4 screws holding down the air filter cover. Set the screws aside so you don't lose them. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or once a year, whichever comes first. If you drive in dusty, sandy, or high pollution areas, or if you frequently do stop and go driving, you may need to change your air filter more frequently. It's a good idea to inspect your air filter every 6 to 12 months, especially if you drive in challenging conditions. Replacing the air filter helps improve fuel economy and engine performance, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Lift the top of the air box. There's enough slack in the intake hose to move it without disconnecting anything. So now we can lift the top and remove the old filter. And this is the replacement air filter that we're putting in. Drop in the new air filter. It only fits one way, so make sure the rubber seal sits flat around the edges. Then, lower the air box cover back into place and reinstall the 4 screws. And that's it! Your engine can breathe clean air again. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.